A husband brutally attacked his pregnant wife, breaking her ribs with a single blow from a club. Despite her condition, he showed no mercy. He grabbed her by the collar and slapped her so hard that she tumbled down the stairs. Unable to endure further abuse, the terrified wife fled to the basement. The husband pursued her, wielding a golf club and repeatedly striking the door. Inside, the wife was so frightened that she lost control of her bodily functions. When police arrived the next day, they found the wife's lifeless body. The forensic examination revealed 54 internal injuries throughout her body, along with fractures in 7 locations. Her stomach contained various medications, including surprisingly athlete's foot treatment. However, when the medical examiner checked her toes, there were no signs of athlete's foot. Even more shocking was the discovery when the examiner opened her uterus. Inside was a 2-month-old fetus. Upon seeing the evidence, Prosecutor Phoebe didn't wait for the full forensic report. She immediately brought the woman's husband in for questioning. However, the wealthy defendant, backed by top legal counsel, exercised his right to remain silent on all questions posed by Phoebe. He even had the audacity to eat sashimi during the interrogation. The defense attorney presented surveillance footage showing the wife moving around the house after her husband had left, arguing this proved she was alive when he departed. They hoped this evidence would convince Phoebe to drop the charges. When Phoebe left the interrogation room, the forensic report had arrived. However, it stated that the woman had not died from physical assault, but rather from drug poisoning. Despite this setback, Phoebe trusted her instincts. She immediately visited the family's housekeeper, who had served the victim since her marriage. The housekeeper revealed the daily domestic violence the woman endured and agreed to testify against the wealthy husband in court. The following day, Phoebe filed charges against the husband. In court, the housekeeper testified about the systematic abuse, detailing how the husband had beaten his wife. Combined with photographic evidence of the woman's injuries, Phoebe believed she had enough to secure a conviction. However, the defense called the forensic examiner to testify. The medical examiner confirmed that based on the test results, the woman's death was not caused by physical assault but by drug poisoning. Due to a previous heart valve surgery, the victim had been taking cardiac medications long-term, which had interacted adversely with other drugs, causing accidental death. Due to insufficient evidence, the judge concluded the first trial and warned that if Phoebe could not present proof of the defendant's guilt in the second trial, the wealthy husband would be acquitted and released.